This video is going to cover step 1.3. Uh, if you want to think about it, this step is basically a continuation of this video, just more specific to top-down design. Hopefully you still have this folder open. Keep it open for every single step because we're going to need it. Yeah, we're going to focus mostly on these. Our focus is going to be these two documents, the master sketch and full robot document and drivetrain feature document. Yeah, not too much text this year because it's just me explaining CAD. So basically, let's go to drivetrain, right? So we'll start from the top. I'll just explain how I CAD'd it. Basically, we have, where is it? We have our master sketch here. You guys don't worry about making the sketch. You want to worry about reading the sketch, which I will explain. Step 3, I think. But yeah, basically, you take, I say basically a lot. You take sketches from the master sketch. I'll explain the defining stuff will be explained later too. Just know you select specific sketches to use. There isn't like a hard set rule. Like if you wanted to, you could just do every single one. That doesn't hurt too much. It just gets a little bit cluttered. Like I don't. I think I closed it. No, I didn't. Okay. Like you don't want to have this whole thing in your feature document. This is another team's CAD from last year. You definitely don't want this in your like I said in your feature document. But if you wanted to, there's nothing stopping you. But yeah, the derive feature you have this drop down. You can hide these sketches if you'd like. Again, like this video explained, you can where am I? Yeah, you can like directly extrude from these sketches. You just can't edit them. Front beam, back beam, not too much. The text, simple, what's it called? Sketches, extrusions, nothing too bad. That's pretty much how drivetrain works. Um, yeah, so that's how derived is connected. It's not too complicated. I mean, you just, your part studio, you're selecting. I don't think there's too much else to this step. This is just me specifically explaining how you're going to reference it. I mean, yeah. Just know that derived is used to derive sketches from here. And you can also derive planes and parts, which I think I explained as well. But yeah, that's it. There isn't too much else. Yeah.